Speak My Mind family, welcome back. We get a ease from the rain in the morning to the afternoon. Now it's after 1. But watch out people as me attack of the rain, they start doing, because the place it just black up. But reality my people, me have to go run from here so as the rain this a come. I go and sit down till it a come down a little harder. Because we just go tell you so we get a ease from the rain, from the morning showers. But the place kind of black up. Here comes the join. But anyway, people, we are going to hold it out because they don't know. We are under the tree. I don't really want the rain wet me up as such. If it not have to wet me like yesterday, or it wet me, where, you know, I couldn't avoid, but you don't know. It did ease up and then it catch me out there. I do the do. You understand? Because you don't know we have to do the do for the papers, you know. So I have some little face of people that come up and people come in. And them don't know. You know? And some of them, mood me hire them. For me dog piss pan them. Yeah man, mood me hire them. And some of them, me can hire them and pay them all 5 times with them at work. Just to me dog piss pan them. And I'll come tell you about go look work and all them. So then what me I do? Doing YouTube and my work me I do. How much I want to go chatting in the comment section about go look work and what did them be money and what did them this year. Eh? How much I want to can do YouTube? How much I want to? No. We are chat. Probably can't sit down and find the time to do it. You understand? First thing, no found they have no talent. Not even if you say catch up on the camera and put on the clothes, you know, in front of the mirror. You don't have no little style what you could have do. You know, for people gravitate to, you know. YouTube is a work if you don't understand. It's just that many people take it as their personal job, and I don't. And I want the time to come where YouTube are my personal job. Because all this arena, I can just lie down on my bed and just do what I do. Yeah. Now I have to go out, go look the papers. So me want the time come and me have a platform where YouTube can be my personal job. But at this minute, it can't be my personal job. I am working on it for it to get there. So the whole of me get, and me can go out there physically go work. At least me can stay in my house and use my device them. Yes. You jealous? Uno jealous? Uno jealous? Uno love come talk about go look work. YouTube is a work. I pay me, I get paid for do this. Pay me, get paid for do this. Thanks to all my supporters. My genuine loyal supporters who support me so I can get a salary from YouTube. You understand what I say to you? So we do not come in a man comment section but go look work when you not come and defend on a T-girl, when you come and defend on a Lorien, when you come and defend on a Kakai, when you come and defend who no want to defend in a people comment. You understand? When you come like when dog walk in a and walk on people veranda. Because I don't know where you come from, when you come like I enter people veranda. You know all crow bait and reptile bait, you know all slime, you know all germs, you know no shame, you know no mind. Stay out of people comment, man. If you don't like people, man, and what people are on them platform towards people we don't like, we are garbage. Because I come like them at the garbage and you know the garbage truck or vice versa. You know the garbage and them at the garbage truck, so them keep pulling, you know. I want to hear people on them platform, man. You know, stay over on a friend them platform and make all on a comment you want to make. Now come over here so and go on other people come platform go comment and go and like say you don't want to come be disrespectful. Because I was sending up on which part you never come from. You understand what I say to you? So you just be cool. All on the meds. Keep a cool and a level head. Not a nice boy to deal with. Yeah. I will just do a video for you, especially whether it want red, blue, pink or whatsoever by YouTube. Me only want to know me not get a strike feet. Yeah? And call you out. I will go up on Facebook and search out family and everybody like what the rest of people them do. So you just behave on yourself. Stay out of people comment, man. If you don't have to come in at people comment, stay out of people comment and go in on a friend comment who want to defend against the platform holder who not going at them comment, going on a friend comment, go comment. Don't come in at people comment, come comment, man. Go see which part someone want to live. You understand? And yet you don't come and go and you want to criticize and tell people what to do. You don't know people from nowhere. But you don't come and talk about go look work. At one time, I ever worked with corporate. And that was 1992, getting $450 for me pay. Down on one hardware named Budget Supply. On Agley Park Road. 1992, that's the first me ever work with corporate. And since then, me no work with no boss, he boss me up. And when me I left that work, there boss supervisor going like him want boss me up. People the rain a come, me have to move now. Boss supervisor going like him want boss me up. After things are going on the compound and bigger boss set rules and regulation and pass it down to supervisor, supervisor pass it down to we. And we say, alright, understood the bill. Follow instruction. Not even a day after boy mess up and I go around the instruction. And then when me hold forth now and say, boss say Ray no. Supervisor will come tell me otherwise than when tell me a couple of days ago where boss say and I tell me if I do. I say, me nah do, you know. You must say mad. Me nah do. Him say, go home. And me go home. The following day, me come back to work. Him say, so who tell you to come back to work? Me say, you tell me go home yesterday. So me go home. You never say nothing further to me. Him say, alright, go home. And me just go home. Not even the little pay when me work for that week there. Me go back for. And from that, me no work with corporate because me too facey. Because me and one boy, me nah stoop on and no boss. You understand? Me have gained that title over the years. And ask all who work with me. Me never boss one of them yet. Never boss one of them yet. Me have about 6, 7, 8 man work for me. Both with my personal things and other things where me oversee as supervisor. And none of them, me never boss yet. Me tell them say them are the boss because them are bring money come give me. I am just the provider. Uno are the boss. Uno are pay me. No, it's a week time Uno carry money come give me. Yes, sir. Uno are the boss. Not me. I am just the provider. Me no boss up people, so me no want a boy or girl boss me up. So unlike Uno where you come in and people comment you have to stoop to boss. And a nyama and a boss. And Uno have to go in a boss office to cock up foot. No panty on. Forget an extra $1 pound a pay. When I come in and people come in to come talk about go look work. I can't mind you and probably your family for a whole year right now. Because at this present moment, you could not name nothing of substance. So if I turn even a little caramel and go full it of salt and go for yam and go a little sugar and water without lime, I still feed me and feed you know, because better off than one that did and yam because the caramel good, clean and purge you know. Yeah, and keep on the belly full, so only am once a day. Because you could probably dry crackers and dry bread where John grew up on it and it's stale, you don't have to dip in water and sugar and water for soft meat, for name it. You know, come in and people comment and come go on like, you don't want disrespect. No, you can't disrespect me. Me's a madman. When me say, me's a madman. I don't know want to see me get real mad. I am a certified one. So behave for yourself and don't play with me. Alright. Anyway, people, I can get into the video. You know what to do. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel is in the description and in the comment section pin. Go ahead and give her a subscription. She have a giveaway if you know help her to reach that 1,000 sub by the 20th of December. And you can see I repost the video with all the criteria and stuff. Alright, go over there and give her a subscription. Life with Gabby and Chevy. And remember, you asked for it. Next week is that time of the month where we want to give back, you know. So the cash app is there, pin in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. If you live in Canada and elsewhere in the world where you don't use cash app and those stuff, and Zelle, you can reach me at 876-221-9789 or 876-340-1701, and we can go the authentic way. You know that vintage way there? Yes. MoneyGram, Western Union, whatsoever. We're not holding a knife on nobody's throat. We're not putting on nobody's head. You give off your free will. It's not a charity. But you want to give me, I use the gift to give back to somebody who is in need, especially in a weather time like this. Alright? Anyway, people, I come across one video, I come like it's a whole series, the bar cartoon I do. I only say the baboon because them say the baboon name me shit Bradshaw. But through the song say, I want a baboon, yeah man, the cartoon, yeah man. But me gonna say the other way around. Alright. Bugs Bunny, them a cartoon. Bugs Bunny, cause you have a song or something. Come like it's a serious she have me. She run out again like she have diarrhea in the way that your people. No sir. Our boy loose. All my name she a call. But cartoon, let me tell you this. Nothing left in a Lorraine for your mouth. Nothing left in her. Cause you was too beloved. Or you were in love with Lorraine too much. So you never dare go left nothing. Not even Bob nor Steve you left nothing for. You knew about everything when you are left. And that's why you got full up till now. So when you go talk about, I speak my mind, you get that from about the woman, this your baby, and that the baby. Come your mouth, speak your mind, I make speak your mind this. You already do it. You already do it. And that's why you left Laura the lizard with your belly full. But how long your belly you go full for you so if you go find somebody for name now? Oh, you have the baker girl can name now. Yes, you have she can name now because the tone coming like shh. Let's get ready to rumble.
That's something they want to say right now that she sent me them back in a WhatsApp. And I tell me about Philippe when the man was just a do charity. And she called Lorraine and if there was nothing about it. Lorraine, after you say you lie like drunk, bro. Yeah, she say you lie. Lie you tell. After you Lorraine say you lie. Lorraine, after you say you lie. And after you Lorraine say you lie. Simone roll Lorraine say you lie. Simone roll Lorraine say you lie. Lorraine roll Simone say you lie. No, not but you three big woman, but you three wicked. So when I walk around with the Bible, one sick of the life, one bumper clot of consumption and our gas roll engine in our blood clot throat, then they three from them I walk. When I don't hear about them, I see them. I'm not supposed to stay far from them. When me done nasty thinking, dirty throat, Lorraine and I garbage from me and put you back. Me just go there to go borrow back your blood clot child, because you're dead, you know. You're dead, drink you fly and fly in your mouth, you try to that dead, walking dead. Take your phone up on your blood clot skin if you're not dead, put the camera on here up to you. Don't do bleaching cream, me say go get dirty thing.
Are you nice, goody. Look pan goody, me say look pan goody. Where you used to come out, come defend so and say, girl, you're sweet, you know. Girl, you look good, bad, you know, look how your skin just a glow. I know the goody this. I know you're nice, goody, Laurie the lizard this. No, sir.
Lorraine tell him what's going to place, go buy. Me fixing pussy clot, dirty, nasty blood clot.
People, the sun come back up hot. So Father God powerful. Okay. Don't play with him.
Tell him to go buy. Me tell you, man, me look for her as a girl, let me send it come to your consumption for Jamaica yourself. If I pick up collect it, eh? I don't care do nothing to your pussy clot short. So that at the war where you come out with a hair time to hear. You have a little beanie hole. When you take your knee and catch mama. And you come out just a trace Tina Chase, a trace Donna, a trace Chris. And that's how you come out with kids here. Thank you, boss, missus. Thank you, boss, missus. It's only 2K you have, Lorraine Brown. Lorraine Brown is only 2K you shipping at the post office. 2K a piece. Then I said, me tell you.
But your friend have one empty trolley. Be an empty box. Cake can pack in a box and pack up on trolley, so. So your friend them cake box them pack up in where she claim to say she had take picture like she had try to give the impression as if okay these are all cakes and the trolley going to ship to the post office now. Pay empty box. No care how them properly band inside of the box because the box might have a little inside piece where the cake drop down in so it not move from no side to side. But at the same time, I know how you go feed. So how you pack the box them like that? The box them supposed to pack neatly on top of one another and sit properly. You understand? Probably a little shifting might go on because a little bumpy ride or whatsoever and one might tilt or so. But all the boxes like, you know, like when house are capsize, I saw the box them stay on the trolley. So your boss or your friend or acquaintance where you have a run with now, baker girl, she not ship nothing either. So she not better off than Lorraine. I be a empty box she a pile up. Real people are ship, you see real cake. in abundant. You see Miss Lawton cake them in abundant. You see 99 cake in abundant. You see Chris cake them in abundant. You see them not no empty box. We can't see when you pack the box them. I just the box them we can't see from you carry them from the post office. You know, I see them so you have them just still down so you know. And when you go post them say a cake in and them I see them, we see them post down so. Lean down so. Your friend can't fool nobody. Pay empty box. So not include her in this.
Look much stamp it across if you're going to have it. Yes. 2 cake at post office. The blood clot that you have coming out people where trailer truck and carry Tina one. Tip up and the truck and carry Dana. Wreck and carry Pickles. When the blood clot that carry for you one bicycle.
One dirty trolley I carry some empty box of Tina. One dirty trolley I carry empty box of Tina. What kind of trailer I carry Tina one? Where you get that from? I say you call trolley trailer?
Telegram fear me. When the blood clot you come up in a people and take war with the telegram bumbo clot, 1 cake without a style of a blood clot leeches. Leeches with your 1 bumbo clot, 1 2 cake. As you count your cake then go on 2 finger. Me can't bother push up the 3, only 2 me can use. Only 2 cake you shipping, miss. Only 2 cake you shipping, Lorraine. And you come out to the people and to war about cake. How about the 2 cake shipping blood clot company, Lorraine? Eh? The post me system was tired again with the 2 blood clot cake. I want the 2 cake shipping. I want the 2 shipping. I want the 2 cake. Oh, one of Baba, one of Michelle. The rascal. You ship them out with them tongue for your blood clot. But not tongue for your because Bob can't put me tongue for you if you not get no pussy juice. Because you man say blood clot wife mad. You man say wife retarded, have Down syndrome and blood clot. That transform plant every woman blood clot in her. See me your Lorraine husband look. Only man put them for the man carry him up. And you can't see the man and he wants to stir the man, you know. But through Lorraine was going to the man house to do blood clot like well Lorraine know. Lorraine make sure he man a little blood clot belly so good thing the man can go walk and look down for the belly that she want me like. No fucking man now get. Baba fuck out the whole I know you like that. So good Lorraine. Party was the Lorraine. Come run me a peanut and Sophia by big pussy. You talk about blood clot woman breed and you have picking. And the woman tell her that confidently. When you know you speak your mind, blood clot say that. You go suck, speak your mind. You ain't go suck on one another.
Come here. Come here, cartoon. Come here, alleged AIDS victim. Come here. Where you go get your doctor must type up one little false information and come here compound phone and mag like say, yes, that is the result. Come here, cartoon. Me not have no time to do your job. And if me didn't even have the time, there is no job there because you already suck everything from Larry the Lizard. You understand? And come like that's why you have diarrhea now. You just have spill your gut, you just have make sure you have enough toilet paper or rainwater run so you can use it and wash out you. You understand? You already named the whole of Larry the Lizard and suck the whole of Larry the Lizard. So there is nothing left for me to go and do. You understand? Because you is the same one who your beloved, what you call her? Lorraine. Yes, your beloved this. I love you, see? I love you. What's goodie? She look goodie, Lord God. That time them in a goodie. Look how you look good. You just a glow. So you're brownie and your ear fit you. I like and take your ear like that, you see. And you just put it, your ear come over right there. So you me like. And you get 1 whole ton load of compliment. Not even if you pile up the whole of tank well, chop them together, we carry the steel. Can't carry the amount of compliment you get. But now to no fall out. All kind of things have been said. All kind of things happen. All kind of things she do. You understand what I say? So me not have no time to do your job. You understand? After a storm, there will be a calm. Sometimes them say 9-day talk and 9-day wonder. Probably you know soon get back together where you can go nyam and heat and suck more. Me not have no time for you and she. You understand? Your job are your job. That's what you were made to do. You understand? Not me.
Tina Trinity, that blood clot.
No free promotion over here. No worry, man. You and T sin soon fall out too. No worry.
Bar. Can't no in a bar. No in here. But remember me tell you, look for me close.
The stock in your bar can't pay your rent.
Social media. But just look, just join the same old frock. Be there and come out and in at the bar and look at the thing. Look how pretty it is. Look how beautiful it looks
The
like.
stock for the whole month can't pay your rent. That you should have considered about years and months ago. When you ain't done about like your tits.
So them the thing they have big up cheap Tina Chin and a carrier. The woman blessed with no blood clot stress. And Lorraine cool alone, Lorraine cool and stress and top stress.
The amount of stress with that the woman that we are talking about Baker girl have. I don't think the Ministry of National Security has so much stress in Jamaica. The amount of stress that Tina have, I don't think the Prime Minister of Jamaica have so much stress. So when you go say she not have no stress and she blessed, which part of she blessed? Which part of she blessed? It just coming like, oh, every day them get up say Israel bless because Israel not the Bible. Which part of Israel bless? Some we can't bless and so much of them they sitting there going there. But just because them see the name Israel in the Bible and Jerusalem and Bethlehem and Ray, them have it say blessed. It no bless. Because place say blessed, them they sitting there not going there. So unlike you know what about Tina no stress. Which part of Tina no stress? Tina have more stress than the Minister of Security of Jamaica. She have more stress than the Prime Minister of Jamaica right now. And you know them the people that have stress because them have stress to deal with and them have to solve stress. So you know what that mean. When we talk about stress, the amount of stress them have feed them own stress, them have family stress, them have the country business stress. So you know what I talk about when I say stress. And Tina have more stress than them.
Stress out when people have sexy body and sexy food. And their body trying to squeeze in like a chunk.
Somebody will go to a doctor and go on a knife for much time and still not come out to nothing. Mood even say perfection, still not come out to nothing when we could have passed and say, okay, 0 point off pass mark. Not 0.1, you know, 0 point off pass mark. Not even that me can't get her, 0 point off point mark. It's like she's still there 0.0. Cause me no see no shape, me no see no look, me no see nothing difference. The breast just come out and talk about stiff breast. Come like the doctor forgot to put the piece of stick on the part to hold it up. I just a silicone go in, but then put on like a stem something, you know, to keep it up. Come like them, they forgot Tina one or two or money did a little bit. Them never bother put that in there, them just get a little fluffiness and move it from the slippers where she wore. She did have, yeah.
Driver. You will just sit down long on the blood clot, let us set to your body shape out like you man them a drive trailer truck. You know see underneath your body will squeeze up. Eh? You know see underneath it just look like that will squeeze up one slide and the blood clot back to take you off. Who are you hide your blood clots if you come out like you could human being with your consumption run blood clots if rapping.
So you never see that all along. You never know all of them sitting there all along. When you say your good friend, you never see all of that.
Yeah, rotten body, dirty body, Lorraine. Eh? When you come and put yourself with blood clot, when the people ship on their cake, a tip of body choke up with blood clot, take your man brain. Cake up, you set pan pallet to take off. The people have cake, a set pan pallet, and you have a post of this blood clot, when they go get 125 cent bumbo clot stamp, for print by your 2 blood clot. Calf throat, cold cake, them to blood clot, and you come and start disrespect people with their container cake. And then blood clot sip over the chocolate cake, and then Lingland by the chocolate cake. People will ship off container and trailer body. You come and come pussy clot, put the poo cake them with. One of Baba, one of Michelle, I'm going to be 2 more, one of you and one of your blood clot husband. I'll be 2 more, one of your Papa blood clot wife. And one of Happy and one of Bumbo clot Simone Rowe. And then the blood you have a hole in your throat. Cold throat blood clot, Lorraine. How can spit you up in a blood clot cake? Them when you have bumbo clot out at the cake. Then the cake they still get cold. You mad? Yeah.
But Tina not have that cough there. But at the same time she a pit in a fear one too. And so far, we don't see the lizard come out pan a live and pitting or nothing. But we see T girl where you are defend and a back and a promote fear cake them and come a lick out pan another person cake where we not see no evidence and things are fly down in a batter and cake. So, what you say? It no make no difference. It no make no difference. A double standard you set so. Because you cost one person when no evidence and then spitting off them butter off them cake and coughing off them one. And we see things that fly out a tea girl mouth and go down in a fire butter them.
Me have to take in a loud right blood clot because consumption get worse. Or you run out of play vice food. And the woman attack you about blood clot. Tell Appia them say what make they wicked son. What make they not send no charity come give me the social media talk about charity. What make them not take your Bible? What make you go around and make video about people that take Bible and come out like you're a real Christian? Girl, my spirit never take you from me come back last year, me never feel you. See like how me never feel love in Christianity anymore. No more. Different from when me just meet her. I mean not feel it no more. How we can. I mean look when the woman and see the live blood clot demons that take her over. And go want me become a prayer line, come sit down a Lorraine prayer line. How me sit down a Lorraine prayer line? Me a mad blood clot okay.
How much morning, noon and night you sit down there? So where the difference now? What the difference now? You never see the evening hour from there one? You never see the person she are from there one? You never see?
She got take a trip for Lorraine. How many have the cartoon for the prayer line and pray again? How many have the cartoon and talk about that for the prayer line again? How that? You crazy? They don't see God over there, so they can't witness Lorraine and tell some blood clot like I'm going to with Lorraine for prayer line. You think the one God come to your phone for the whole away one time, you don't sit down there with the wicked, when the wicked came up on other people to eat up them flesh. You know Lorraine one only going to stumble and fail. Because she's going to stumble and fail. You're going to stumble. And your mouth enough here now. Maureen news to me say, don't talk already, say your mouth enough here. And a lot of people talk. And nobody know how to answer. All of them speak on social media. Loud and clear.
But here's no difference. Here's no difference, you know. You is no different. You are the same thing. Cause when you can put your bar, which is your business and your pitney, and your grand pitney and your man side where I bring in a few dollars come give you. If you sit down on phone, if you carry go bring come hear me say hear me go. You know? If you give the same person where you put on the cross now for crucifixion. You are not this different. You are just the same thing. No difference boy you.
You stop tell lie, Lorraine. Stop tell lie. The pampa was you're going to go take picture. When they go suck out back batty one and your mouth back blood clot shit. And he might walk in a white shirt and go down to the blood clot fridge and you tell your husband, say, come here and dance something. And he make one go rock and walk go down to the same entrance way back there. When I let the boy run go up on the other entrance to which part you walk going at the bathroom. The wife stand up right in the little side to the settee so like one fridge there. And when the little boy they right so like at the door one blood clot going and you walk up in the man house pass which part the wife that kind of come from and the little boy run go and turn this and go in the bathroom and a video about watch house, watch bathroom and you come back social media and tell them the germs that we are calling and a big up say you know going to my house just stop your move your mouth stink like everybody back to hold on your life some category.
So she really going to the house go video? Me never see it. As me say, me never nobody side now, but anything me hear and can't talk about, me I can talk about it. She really going to the man house and video with you and then come and fear life, come say, she not going to the man house? Well, the whole of no lie, so me not put it past no, because it's just the same thing. But when you say her mouth do, I know you just know that the amount of talk she talking on the phone in your mouth and in your face. Lord Jesus, I know you just know that. Me never one day get see for you from the life where you got so yet. Never. You always relax and not taking everything coming through the phone. So why cussing her know about her mouth? Come on.
Body wash and Lauren come drop people them blood clot file or sore. Sore throat, girl we sore from inside and outside, come drop people them file, big pussy girl. Dirty throat girl, come drop the girl the people them file. That kind of file out.
Anyway, my people, I desperate top, you know. They say top, me people. They say top. They say top. Or another little piece there, but me not going to that piece there right now. Me not have the time for that. But people, when you see what we talk about every day we stress it. Friends. Friends. This are the same cartoon, you know. The same cartoon. We come watch Goody. Goody look Goody. Lord Goody. You're bleaching fit your Goody. Lord Goody, just a glow so Goody. I like when you put your ears and the ear come down and bag over your side. Say Goody. I like it. It fit you, say Goody. Yeah, Goody, Lord. You're fatty, Lord. Hey, that clothes. How you buy that? It fit you, you know? Yeah. So you were playing hypocrite all along? Or you're just upset now because there's no friendship anymore? Which one of them? You were playing hypocrite, or you're just upset now because the friendship break? Why you're saying all these things? Because you're worse than Allice, so did have the diarrhea, you know? Yes, man. Since you little break up, you're worse than Allice, so did have the diarrhea. It come like you have a loose throat and a loose bowel. Because you just a talk. And probably when you talk, you depend. Gas will kill you. Because your hand comfortable and your hand easy. So you come like you still live no heat. You don't have no time to carry no news now because no friendship no there. And it come like at the same thing like when you there for your bleach and a sit out to carry news and eat and feed your pitney and grand pitney and find time for your man and stock your bar and clean your bar. You understand? This is the time where you're supposed to eat, but now it come like you still not eat. You also wanna eat. So it causes your throat feel loose. You just a chat. And you like you have diarrhea like Allice on a crab center. Anyway, people, you don't know what to do. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember to double click there. Bang, video. Bang, thumbs up. And remember to watch the ads. Remember the young entrepreneur college student. The link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section pin. She's having a giveaway if you people help her to reach that 1,000 sub by the 20th of December. You know, the criteria is there, repost it on my page, and it is also on her page. You know, she will be having a giveaway, you know, customized giveaway of your choice, what you want. So just go over there. If you're not subscribed yet, run over and just hit the subscription button. Alright, my people. And remember, you ask for it, you get it. It's a time of the month now that is coming up. You know. So the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Remember, I am not running a charity. If you feel free to give me because you like the channel, or you know, you just like my personality and all and want to give me, or you like what me I do, when you give me, I take that gift to give somebody who is in need. Alright? And the time of the month, which is next week, is coming up where I try to give back. You know, I don't rate the exact month end. But if that's where it have to go there, because we not give nobody nothing to put down. The needy out there not give me nothing to put down. You understand? But it's just from the art. You understand? Yeah, man, I just from the art. So, only just do the do and stay tuned. You understand? The weather on and off. See there? Sun come out a while ago hot after rain and fall, and see the place get dark again. Rain start June. God a God and man a man. So all of you out there we are going like say, you can blow a breath. You have to come do this and show me first. Before you go the hard way of blowing breath and bring back life after it lasts, you have to come show me. Say like how the cloud dark now, just come and say, I command you cloud to get clear. And the cloud just get clear. I command you sun to come out hot. And the sun does come out hot, or vice versa. Then we can say yes, you don't have powers, you don't have no power. God a God, man a man. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Keep safe, my people. Love you.